Linking your bank account to your Battle.net account can enhance your gaming experience by allowing for seamless transactions. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Log into Battle.net. Visit the Battle.net website and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Billing. Click on this option to view your current payment methods and add new ones. Step 4. Add bank accounts. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use sRoute to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. Now your bank account is linked to your Battle.net account, allowing for easier transactions in the future. Enjoy your gaming.